Fine. So children, we have seen the atomic size of the elements when we move from top to bottom in a group. How do the atomic size of the elements change? Now we are going to see a few more properties. The first is the metallic nature of the elements as we move from top to bottom in the group. So about the metallic nature, you can say that elements which have a tendency to lose electrons easily are more metallic. So let us take an example of a group, 14th group suppose we take. In 14th group we have carbon, silicon, germanium and tin and lead. These are the elements in the 14th group of the periodic table. If you start from carbon, carbon is a non-metal. Silicon and germanium are metalloids. And tin and lead are metals. So you can very well say that as you move from top to bottom, you are going from non-metals to metalloids and metals. That means as we move from top to bottom, elements change from non-metals to metals. That means metallic character increases from top to bottom in the periodic table. Fine. So on moving top to bottom, metallic character is increasing. Now the next property, let us see one more property, that is reactivity of the elements. If you see the reactivity, we will see examples of two groups. First is alkali metals and second is halogens. In alkali metals, reactivity of the metals, if you see, start from lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. In first group they are kept. First group metals, as you move from top to bottom, what happens? Reactivity increases. And if you see halogens, that is 17th group, what happens in 17th group? Elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. As you move from top to bottom, the reactivity decreases. That means fluorine is most reactive, iodine will be least reactive among these elements. Whatever are written here in the halogens, among these, iodine will be least reactive, fluorine is most reactive. The reason for the reactivity, there are various factors which are involved in the reactivity, and you will be going through all those in detail in your further classes. So here you just go through this much, learn actually this much, that as you move from top to bottom in first group elements, reactivity increases, and in 17th group elements, reactivity decreases. So children, this is all for today. In next class, we will take up the gradual change in the properties in the periods. That means as we move from left to right in the periodic table in rows, how does these properties change when we move in a period?